we're just waiting on the wedding rings, actually. Wait, what is that? Oh.
Yeah, go. To that special someone who stole my heart, I can't believe that the day has come so quickly. You always make me feel like the happiest little girl in the world. I know you will be a great husband and an awesome father to our children. I can't wait to see you waiting for me down the aisle. My handsome man, love you so much.
Jin and Hannah, this is it. In about 20 minutes, things are all going to change. Hannah and Jin first met through a movie date. I wish I could tell you that it was love at first sight, but I can't, because to be fair, Jin and Hannah didn't actually really like each other in the beginning. The next time a group movie date came up, they decided to have a coffee beforehand. Now, Hannah must have made a good impression this time around, because a few days later, Jin messaged her on Facebook, simply saying, "Lunch?" Hannah replied, equally with one word, "No." But Jin didn't give up. He replied, "Dear Hannah, would you like to have lunch with me? Kind regards, Jin." Well, manners go a long way with Hannah, so she said yes, and they had their very first date in the library. So you would have thought that when Jin turned up to the library with some chocolates, Hannah would be impressed, right? "Sorry," said Hannah, "I don't like chocolate." But luckily the date went well. So there was another, and another, and another few after that. Then Jin and Hannah began dating officially.
Everyone in this room is a little bit different from one another, and Hannah never is there to judge. She's always there to just love people for who they are. She's also incredibly selfless and incredibly genuine and giving. Even though it's a bit cliche, I think that the best thing that you can do in life is to marry someone that you would consider your best friend, and I'm very proud that that's what Hannah and Jin have done today.
To my lovely Hannah Vu, roses are red, violets are blue. I wrote this letter on this special day for you. We graduated, scored the jobs, bought the house in 2017, and here we are, getting married in 2018. I hope you're enjoying the ride, because there's no refund from today. I see you now, again and again. I love you.
I realize Jin is not only my brother, but also like my father. I look up to him a lot and has had a huge influence over me. Darling, there's many things I can't promise. I can't predict the weather, but I will put an umbrella over your head. I can't make great bubble tea, but I'll find you the right shop. I can't stop farting, but I will always open the windows for you. I can't make you smile all the time, but I will not make you cry. I'm failing. I can't live a day without you, so I will stay next to you for the rest of my days. These are my promises just for you.
I asked 200 students in their second year, what is it you guys look for in a life partner? Is it looks? Is it common interests? Or is it personality? 100 of the 200 students told me it's personality. A few were honest and said looks. And I then started to preach to my students and say that I believe it's none of these things. I think what's key to a successful marriage is two things. First is love, and the other is, I think, if I look at my own relationship with my wife, is the ability to communicate. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it is not rude, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered and does not keep record of wrong. Love does not fail.
Jinbamupa, from the day we got to know each other, you always has been my best friend, brother, teacher, motivational speaker, travel partner, and also my favorite bubble tea partner. But most importantly, I promise to love you, respect you, support you, and above all else, make sure that I'm not just yelling at you because I'm hungry. You have my trust, my heart, and my love from this day and forevermore.
waiting on the wedding rings, actually. Wait, what is that? Oh. Thanks, JK. And if you can rescue it for us, that would be wonderful. And now it appears we have 2 rings. The wedding can continue.
I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love for you,
Let it be a reminder,
I am always by your side.
and I'll always be a faithful partner to you.
Jin Boom Hong, Min, Hai and Vu. Do you take Hannah to be your wife? Do you take Jin to be your husband? To have and to hold from this day forward, to love and be loved from this day for all your days?
I do.
I do.
Jin and Hannah, I can very proudly pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.